So I'm leaving a shop that I've been at for 21 years. This is a big move for me. I'm a little nervous, but I'm super excited to start a new chapter. It's a little nerve-wracking for me. Not only am I leaving the shop, but I'm leaving the customers. You know, I've been here for 21 years, like I said, and this is a big deal to switch shops and to move on. And I'm really excited. This is going to be really cool for the channel, really cool for me. I'm gonna make a lot more money. All kinds of opportunities are gonna come out of this. I probably should have done this a couple years ago. So the shop light dynamic changed dramatically over the last couple years, and I felt like I was no longer learning and progressing and advancing my career, and it kind of got stagnant. So also there was a lot of personal stuff going on in the shop, and it wasn't good for the videos. It wasn't good for myself, my mental health, all that stuff. So I had to make a change. So if everything going on in the shop, and trust me, I'm being tame about what's going on in the shop, I decided to make a move. A buddy of mine offered me a job at a heavy trucking and equipment business. Now, I'm going to be doing a lot of fleet work in this opportunity, but I will also get the opportunity to learn, you know, the diesel mechanic side of the automotive trade, which I don't know much about. So if you're like me, you probably want to keep learning and keep progressing in your skills and your abilities, and this is a great opportunity for me. Now, the stuff that has gone wrong with the previous shop has nothing to do with filming YouTube videos, but it has affected me to even want to film in that shop at all. So that's one of the reasons why I wanted to make this change. So we're going into 2024, and I wanted to make this video in case some of you guys out there are going through a similar situation. Now, I would never recommend you just up and quit your job without doing a little research and coming up with a plan. So that's kind of what I did. I came up with a little bit of a plan and decided, you know, now is the time to make the move. But I do want to encourage you to take that chance and move on to a better situation for you. Trust me, guys, if it's mentally beating you down to work at the place you're at and you're not making the type of money that you want to, it's definitely worth putting the feelers out there and see what's out there to improve your situation. If you're not happy at the shop, it's going to beat you down over time, and eventually it's going to affect your home life. So over the next couple of weeks, I'll be unveiling a lot more stuff about what's going to happen with the channel, so make sure you're subscribed. I'm Brian-esl from How-to-Automotive. I'd like to thank you for watching.